I'm about ready, Eddie. I'm gonna put on some water because I'm gonna parboil our asparagus just for a minute. And then I'm gonna put it in some ice water so it'll quit cooking.
So this used to be one of the original sandwiches you served at the restaurant.
Yes, I don't remember serving this on the bag lady. I think I only served it when we were at 311, and then when we moved down the street. You'll always want to take your asparagus and just bend it, and where it wants to bend and break, it will do that. So Teresa had already done this once, but sometimes I'll just try and see if it maybe wants a little bit more off.
Remind them that we made the Thousand Island dressing already.
Yes. And we started this sandwich by doing the video for the Thousand Island dressing first. So I think I'm gonna blanch all of this asparagus because I have a feeling we're having asparagus sandwich for lunch. Does that suit you two monkeys?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, asparagus sandwich it is for lunch. And my pumpernickel bread. I just love oh, I had some, but I've got some open too, so I'll use this up first. I really love the pumpernickel and rye mix. It's like a marble, it's marble colored, but this one is just totally pumpernickel, which is great. Also, so while I'm waiting for our water to get ready, I'm going to, Teresa, if you would get me a little ice, please, and put in that colander, that would be wonderful. All right, so while I'm waiting on everything, I'm just going to start buttering my bread. Because I'm going to toast this. And you could toast this in your air fryer. Would be great and easy without picking up another pan. And we don't want this to get overdone. You know what I mean? We still want it nice and crisp. So just 1 to 2 minutes. Okey-doke. I had some ice in here. Now I'm just gonna add some cold water to our ice and chill that asparagus pretty quickly. I'm gonna drain our asparagus. Now at the restaurant we would have all of this prepped up. And when we got an order coming in for a sandwich, because this would more than likely be coming straight out of the refrigerator, we would just bring our asparagus back up to heat. Or we would throw it on a flat top at the restaurant. But, oh, this asparagus is beautiful. So we just want to make sure that that's good and hot. Now I'm gonna toast our bread. I'm not gonna be able to fit all of our bread in here at one time, but that's all right. Ooh, these are nice thick pieces of cheese. Those are real nice and thick. You know what I forgot? I forgot to put my $1,000 dressing on it. Because we've got to have it on both pieces of bread. Because that'll help keep everything stuck together. Got to have that little bit of wet. Okay. Now we'll put our cheese back on. Okay, the next thing we're gonna do, let me turn that one off. Let's turn that one off. So the next thing we're gonna do is put our hot asparagus. And I like to turn it one way and then turn it the other. So you see the spears hanging out of each end. It's crazy what a delicious combination this is. Okay. And now our onion goes on top of that. And then go ahead and just put the black pepper on top of the cheese. I've got everything, don't I? Ouch. That's a very hot pan. And I wonder why I don't have any fingertips. any fingerprints, because I burned them off. All right, I'm going to need to take these out so I can have room to clear. That looks wonderful. I'm going to run myself a little short with asparagus there. I'll eat that one. How about that? So good. Yeah, look at that cheese sticking out. Okay. Like I said, it's just crazy how much people love these. I remember my grandmother and grandfather Harris on Sunday night. They went to church in the morning, they'd come back and go to church in the afternoon. And they would have cereal for supper on Sunday night. Well, this would make a wonderful Sunday night supper. That's it. I mean, I know I used a lot of pans, y'all, but it's so easy. Just somebody else is going to have to help me with the dishes. So look at that. Well, I'm tired of looking at it. I'm going in for a taste. It has been years since I had an asparagus sandwich. Y'all dig in. This is so good. And remember, to use your favorite cheese, no matter what kind it is. And I think you're gonna love it. Love and best dishes, y'all. Oh, look at it.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.